was to get some history recorded or some stories, so we chose Maui Tiki Tiki Ataranga, and our Nani Ana researched it to make sure that we are, I will say what it is and how it means. So, not specifically talking about these carvings, but we all have. So Maui Tiki Tiki Ataranga was born, his mother was Tara. And when he was born, she actually thought she had a miscarriage. So she cut the top of her top notch, wrapped Maui into her hair, and sent him away into the world. And it was the karoro, the seagulls that come along, and all the other insects with tangaro that helped him, nurtured him, and ended up, he got washed up on the beach, and his grandfather found him. His grandfather nurtured him, and when he was old enough to start running and walking, he got curious, and he wanted to know where he came from. So he went out searching for his parents, his mother and his father, and he learned about the history of his grandparents. So on his journey, he learned how to catch the fire from his grandmother. Very cheeky how he did that. I'm cutting the story very short. So one of those stories of Maui Tiki Tiki Ataranga is how he managed to catch the fire, and it was put inside wood, mahi, so we could always have fire. And another one of his journeys was when he went to trick his mother, covered up. She used to go away at night time and go to his father during the daytime. So he ended up following her one day to the underworld.